Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. Thanks for watching our Pedrazzoli video tutorials. In these videos, we show you how to set up on the machines. When the machine arrives, the PC is not mounted in the tower. So, you insert the PC, you put it in and you fasten it with the 4 screws. Once this is done, you connect the main plug. Inside this plug there are 2 LAN cables and a pink cable. You let them pass inside and then you connect the 2 cables on Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. The pink cable must go through this hole and it will be connected onto another module, here. The USB cable is connected on this port. It goes inside the hole to another module to the other side. The pin cable that comes from the big plug has to be connected down here. The UPS module is packed separately in a box, so you have to mount it on this guide. You have to connect the power source and the USB cable that goes from behind the PC through the hole and the UPS module, and then you can close the cover. Follow us for more online video tutorials. Don't hesitate to contact your commercial partner for all your questions or doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Ciao!